Hey everyone, welcome back to App Mentor. In today's video, I will demonstrate how you can withdraw from cex.io. Power tap. First, you need to go to Telegram, as many airdrops and coins are linked to it. Here you'll find a cex.io power bot. If you don't have the link, just copy this link. Once you're here, tap on Start Application to begin. This will start the bot, which will look something just like this. To use Power Tap, tap on the screen. The more you tap, the more you gain. Keep tapping to increase your balance. When you're done, you can claim your balance. Currently, you can withdraw from cex.io Power Tap. If this changes, I'll update you. If this video was helpful, make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for tuning in.